Losing all your keys to a 1998-2004 Cadillac Seville can be a headache. Dealerships charge hefty fees for reprogramming, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can do it yourself. This video will guide you through programming a transponder key when all original keys are lost. Note: DIY programming should only be done by verified owners. The Cadillac Seville uses GM's Passkey 2 system from 1998 to 2001, or Passkey 3 from 2002 to 2004. This anti-theft system relies on a transponder chip embedded in the key that communicates wirelessly with the car's body control module, or BCM. The transponder chip contains a unique electronic code. When you insert the key into the ignition, the BCM reads this code and compares it to the codes stored in the vehicle's memory. The body control module is the central component that manages this security system. It coordinates with other vehicle systems to ensure only authorized keys can start the engine. If the BCM doesn't recognize the key's code as valid, it will prevent the engine from running properly. The engine will start briefly, but then stall after just a few seconds, effectively disabling the vehicle to deter theft. To program a new key for your Cadillac Seville when all originals are lost, you'll need a few essential tools. First, a blank transponder key specific to your Seville's model year. These GM-specific keys cost about $10. Second, an OBD2 key programmer like the Autel Maxi IM608 or Foxwell NT710, ranging from $100 to $300. Optionally, an EEPROM reader for advanced cloning if needed. Connect the OBD2 scanner to your Seville's OBD2 port. Use the scanner to access the security module and erase any existing key data. This step resets the key learn mode. Program the new transponder key by following the scanner's on-screen instructions, which typically involve cycling the ignition on and off in a specific sequence. Cloud-based key services provide an alternative to hands-on programming. Services like KeyDIY or VVDI handle the technical work remotely. You send your car's EEPROM data dump to the service. This chip stores critical vehicle information needed for key programming. The service generates a programmed transponder key and mails it back to you, eliminating the need for specialized tools. Independent reviews confirm success rates over 90% for Cadillac Seville models from this era. Incorrect programming can lock your vehicle, requiring expensive dealer intervention. Make sure the tool you use is compatible with your BCM type. Type 1 is for 1998 to 2000 models, while Type 2 is for 2001 to 2004 models. Also, be aware that attempting DIY programming without proper tools could lead to a permanent lockout. If you encounter issues during key programming, start by performing BCM diagnostics using your OBD2 scanner. This helps identify underlying problems such as corrosion on the body control module, which can prevent successful programming. Expert automotive locksmiths strongly advise caution, as inexperienced users risk bricking the vehicle's security system, causing a permanent lockout that requires professional intervention. Always double-check that your tools and transponder keys are compatible with your specific Seville model year, and follow all programming instructions precisely to avoid errors. The future of key programming involves greater digital integration with AI-assisted apps diagnosing and programming keys via smartphones. Additionally, sustainability is becoming a key focus with efforts to reuse transponder chips. Keep in mind that as older vehicles age, DIY becomes more difficult due to component failures.